Transformers. We Crystal Power are also known as high voltage transformer supplier in India, electrical panel supplier, electrical insulation supplier, electric insulator in India. We offer a wide range of power transformers which is used in various industries for distribution and transmission. Our transformers are supplied using quality, non-aging, cold rolled grain oriented electrical steel which ensure high reliability. These are supplied in different specification in terms of rating, no load and load losses, impedance, flux density of core, current density and overall tank dimension. Greatly acclaimed for its superior quality, durability and performance, these power transformers are easily available at an competitive market price. Contact Crystal Power 096 726 35575 and visit our website www.crystalpower.com. We supply power and distribution transformers, induction arc furnace transformers, auto transformers, dual ratio transformers, testing transformers, dry type transformers. Main features are most advanced design, unmatched performance, zero defects, compact, robust, low losses, suitable for various applications, capable to withstand jerking loads, better power factor. Contact Crystal Power 096 726 35575 and visit our website www.crystalpower.com. MS Control Panel Boards. At Crystal Power, we are engaged in supplying of MS Control Panel Boards. The MS Control Panel Boards supplied by us are widely applied in various industries. Along with this, these boards operate on advanced microprocessor based generators, set monitoring, metering, protection and control system that offer optimum functionality. The MS Control Panel board supplied by us is widely appreciated for its corrosion resistant properties and are well defined as per the industrial standards. Contact Crystal Power 096 726 35575 and visit our website www.crystalpower.com.
Control Panel. We are one of the largest Indian Rajasthan Udaipur supplier of controllers for generating sets. Our product range includes various types of control panel like automatic engine protection modules, automatic changeovers, automatic mains failure controllers, auto start modules, panel instruments and generating set control equipment. We have a design center in Udaipur and with 5 years of activity we have established a solid technical relationship with genset supplier. We are able to supply cost-effective products on a small or large scale. Contact Crystal Power Company of Udaipur, Rajasthan, India 09672635575 and visit our website www.crystalpower.com.